Hello, my kids, students of primary 3. Today, inshallah, we study a new lesson about your mathematics curriculum. I hope to get fun time with me. Try to be better. Do your best. Let's go. Today will be chapter 3, lesson 3, multiples of 2 and 3. This is our lesson for this session. Our goals are to use 120 chart. Use different way to find multiples of number by skip count or per using array. Listen carefully to this video. After this video, we learn something. Everyone has what? One pair of shoes. One pair of shoes. 2 persons, 2 pairs mean 4. 3 persons, 3 pairs mean 6 shoes. This is called multiples of 2. Let's mean counting by skip 2. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Let's go. Okay, this boy playing with counting multiples of 2. At the beginning, he said 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. Don't forget this is called multiples of 2. What can you see now? This is stairs. You can see some numbers. This is stairs. First number is 2, 4, 8, 6. Then this is what? Multiples of 2. Not arranged, I know, but this is called multiples of 2. What it is? It's called 120 chart. This table represents numbers from 1 to 120. From 1 to 120. First number is 1. Last number is 120. This is called 120 chart. Okay? This table helps you to find something about numbers. You can add, you can subtract, you can times 2. You can find the multiples of any number that you want. In our lesson, we can get multiples of number 2 by jumping 2 steps. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Number 2 is colored in yellow. Number 4, next, 6. Can you guess the next? Yes, 8. Next, 10. God. Next, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on. This is called multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Let me help you to get the first multiples of 2 by using 120 chart. Start with 2. So the first multiple of 2 is 2. Next or second multiple of 2 is called 4. Can you tell me the third multiple? Just to try. Yes, 6. What about fourth multiple? Just to try. 8. That's good. What about fifth one? Yeah, it's 10. Now, be hero. Can you get the last one? Yes, 12. So the first multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. This is what? First multiples of 2. Great. Let's go. Yes, your turn now. Which is a multiple of 2? 15, 11, 10, 25, or 9. Which one of them is a multiple of 2? By using skip count, by jumping, remember what were multiples of 2. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. So is 15 a multiple of 2? Is 11 a multiple of 2? What about 10? Is 25 a multiple of 2? Let's get the right answer. Oh, we cancel 9. So 9 is not a multiple of 2. We cancel 15. That means 15 isn't a multiple of 2. We have three numbers now, 10, 11, and 25. Which will be the right answer? Oh, we cancel 25. That's right, 25 is not a multiple of 2. The left numbers 11 and 10. Can you tell me the right answer now fast, please? Yes. So the right answer is 10. Really? 10 is a multiple of 2. By the same way, which is a multiple of 2? 15, 27, 13, 11, and 20. Let's try one by one. 13 is not. 15 is not. 27 is not a multiple of 2. 11 is not a multiple of 2. So which answer is right now? 20. 20 is a multiple of 2. That's right. By the same way, can you guess which number is a multiple of 2? 8, 27, 31, 15, or 9? Let's check one by one. We cancel a number. We cancel another. So the left numbers are 8 and 9. Which one is a multiple of 2? Yes, 8 is a multiple of 2. Awesome. Let's go. Kick out. Oh, that's mean expel. Cancel. Cross. Number that are not multiples of 2. Shout. Kill. Kick out. All numbers aren't multiples of 2. Which one you will start with? Which number you should shoot out or kick it out? Oh, we kick out 31. So 31 is not a multiple of 2. Another one. 27. 9. Yes. What about the left number? 16, 8, 20, 18, and 4. Are these numbers multiples of 2 or not? Your turn. I think you agree with me. All of these numbers are multiples of 2. So I can't kick anymore. Try to answer this simple questions. Is 16 a multiple of 2? You have two choice. Yes or no. Is 16 a multiple of 2? Your guess. Yes. 16 is a multiple of 2. Another question. Is 10 a multiple of 2? Your choice. Yes or no? Yes. Let's get the right answer. Yeah. 10 is a multiple of 2. Is 15 a multiple of 2? Yes, my hero. Which answer is right? Your try. Yes or no? No. 15 is not a multiple of 2. Another question. Is 19 a multiple of 2? Yes or no? No. 19 is not a multiple of 2. Let's go back to 120 chart. I told you before, this chart helps you to get adding, subtracting, multiples of any number that you want. Now, I think we start with the multiples of 3. Yes, you will see number 3 is colored in green. Next multiple of 3, 6. Guess before coloring. 9. Yes, which one will be next? Just guess. Yes, 12. Can you go on? Which number is next? 15. That's great. The next. Ready to get the next? The next is what? Is 18. More. 21. More. 24. You will see, we keep counting by 3. This is called multiples of 3. By the same way that we got multiples of 2, we can get a multiple of 3. So first multiple of 3 is 3. Next 6. Next 9. Next 12. Next 15. 18. 21. 24. 27. 30. 33. 36, 39, 42, and so on. Don't forget, 120 chart is a good helper for you. Now, let's write the first 7 multiples of 3. You can use 120 chart to help you, or you can get them by yourself. Can you tell me the first multiple of 3? Yes, first multiple is 3. Second one is 6. Help me. Which one will be the third? 9. Great. Fourth. Wonderful. 12. 15. Great job. Go on, my hero, go on. Next, 18. Great. How many multiples now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need one more. Can you tell me the last one? Yes, the last one is 21. So I have now 7 multiples of 3. Start with 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. These are called the first 7 multiples of 3. Like multiples of 2, we'll get multiple of 3. Which number is a multiple of 3? We have 5 numbers, 8, 20, 13, 21, and 11. Which one of them is a multiple of 3? Let's kick out the numbers that aren't a multiple of 3. Which one you will cancel first? Yeah, we cancel 13. Why? Because 13 is not a multiple of 3. Which one will be the next? Yes, 8 is not a multiple of 3. Now the left numbers are 20, 21, and 11. Which one will be stay at least? Oh, which one? 20, 11, or 21? Can you help me? Yes, 20 is not a multiple, so we kick out 20. We cancel 20. The left numbers are 11 and 21. Can you guess which number will be the multiple of 3 and the other will not be? Yes, we cancel 11, so the left number is 21. That's good. We should know 21 is a multiple of 3. Which is a multiple of 3? 2, 10, 30, 20, or 14. You can cross out the number that aren't a multiple of 3 or kick them out or shout in them. Let's start with, so I kick out 14. Why? Because 14 is not a multiple of 3. I kick out 2. 2 is not a multiple of 3. So finally we have 3 numbers, 30, 20, and 10. Kick out 20 and kick out 10. So the number is a multiple of 3 in our question is 30. That's right. Is 20 a multiple of 3? Your answer must be yes or no. If the 20 is a multiple of 3, yes. I think you agree with me, 20 is a multiple or not? Yes, 20 is not a multiple of. So the right answer for this question is no. Next, is 8 a multiple of 3? We got 8 as a multiple of 2. Is 8 a multiple of 3 too? No. 8 is a multiple of 2 only, not a multiple of 3. What about 24? Is 24 a multiple of 3? That's mean if you go to your 120 chart to get a multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Yeah, 24 is a multiple of 3. So the right answer is yes. Is 18 a multiple of 3? I think we start with 3. So 18 is a multiple of 3. If you face any troubles, try to check your answer with 120 chart. Now our question is 18 a multiple of 3 or not? So 18 is a multiple of 3. Out or expel or cancel or kick, cross, remove. Numbers aren't multiples of 3. Which one will you shoot on? Yeah, we cancel 31. We kick out 31. Why? Because 31 is not a multiple of 3. Which one will be the next? Yes, 20 is not a multiple, so we kick out 20. We have 15, 9, 2, 21, 18, 4, and 6. 4. We kick out 4. Why? Because 4 is not a multiple of 3. Yes. And now the left numbers are 15, 9, 6, 18, and 21. Yes, these are multiples of 3. Again with 120 chart. What about this session now? Yes. What happened? I didn't color 2 or 3, but I colored 6, 12, 18, 24. What are these numbers? 30, 36. What happened? I didn't color 2 or its multiples and 3 or its multiples, but I color another number. Can you guess what are these numbers? Oh, these numbers common multiple of 2 and 3. So these numbers are multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 at the same time. 6 is a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 3. By the same way, 12 is a multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. Let's write multiple of 2 on the left, multiple of 3 on the right. 2, 4, 6, 8 on the right, 3, 6. Oh, let's circle 6 both sides. Yes. Let's go on 9, 10, 12, 12. We got another common number. 12, a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 3 at the same time. So this number is a circled number called common multiple of 2 and 3. Can you guess? These numbers are multiple of what? If a number is a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 3 at the same time, can you guess this number is a multiple of what? Which number will be multiple of? Think for a moment. We'll get answer soon. Which common multiples of both 2 and 3? Let's check one by one. Is 10 a multiple of 2? Yes. For 2, yes. For 3, no. 9, a multiple of 2? No. 9 is a multiple of 3? Yes. 18, a multiple is a multiple of 2? Yes. 18 is a multiple of 3? Yes. What about 14? 14 is a multiple of 2? Yes. A multiple of 3? No. Last number, 21. Is 21 a multiple of 2? No. Is 21 a multiple of 3? Yes. My question was the common multiple of 2 and 3. Which number? I think you get the right answer now. Cancel. We cancel 14. We cancel 9. 9 is a multiple of 3 only. We cancel 21. Why? Because 21 is a multiple of 3 only. We cancel 10 because 10 is a multiple of 2 only. What about it? 18? Yes, our best answer for this question is 18. So 18 is a multiple of 2 and 18 is a multiple of 3. So 18 is a common multiple of both 2 and 3. The common multiples of both 2 and 3 are multiple of what? If a number is a multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 at the same time, this number is a multiple of what? Of 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. We cancel 4, we cancel 3, we cancel 5, to the left 2 and 6. Can you guess? We cancel 2, so the left number is 6. So that means if any number is a multiple of both 2 and 3, this number is a multiple of 6. Good. Is 12 common multiple of both 2 and 3? Your answer must be yes. 12 is a common multiple of both 2 and 3. Let's play this game. Let's put this ball in their suitable basket. What that means for this game? We can put each number of these numbers or these balls named by numbers in the suitable basket. First basket on the left, multiples of 2. In the center, multiples of both 2 and 3. On the right, multiples of 3. Let's start. The ball, number 1, carry number 2. Okay, this one, the first one. Can you guess in which basket we should put it? Yeah, 2 is a multiple of 2. What about 3? Yes. What about 4? Yes. 4 is a multiple of 2. 15 is a multiple of what? 15 is a multiple of 3. 12, 12, 12. Oh, 12 goes to the middle basket. That means 12 is a multiple of both 2 and 3. What about 20? 20 is a multiple of 2 only. The last number 21, 21, multiple of 2? No. Multiple of 3? Yes. So 21 is a multiple. I think it was a funny game. Nice to meet you, my kids. I hope to get funny time with me. See you later, inshallah, with a new lesson. Goodbye. Allah bless all of you.